test of the county's outdoor warning sirens today at 12 noon. Except for scheduled testing, the sirens will be activated for the following emergencies. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning. A severe thunderstorm has been detected with damaging winds of 75 miles per hour or greater. A hazardous materials accident requires immediate protective action by the public, or an attack on the United States is imminent, underway, or has recently occurred. Warning siren activation is a signal to members of the public to immediately go indoors and monitor local emergency alert system meter